Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been an author, designer, and teacher in the craft industry for over 15 years. You may recognize me from my time as the crochet expert on Knitting Daily TV or as one of the new cast members of Knit and Crochet Now Season 10 and Season 11. Or you may recognize me from one of the 18 books that I've published on knitting and crochet. Each week, I upload new videos on knitting and crochet from beginner stitches through lace and sized garments. Browse through my playlists for thousands of YouTube videos on making, styling, and caring for your handmade items. I will show you how to enjoy a lifetime of loving your yarn. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be first to know when there's something new. I also do lots of live stream events, including a podcast and some behind the scenes live streams of my lifestyle, including cooking with my son. It's a lot of fun. If you want to be notified for when I go live, click the bell button next to the subscribe button and then double check on your device that your YouTube settings are set for notifications. When you join me for a live stream, we have the ability to communicate. You can ask me questions live and I get to answer live. It's so much fun. You can find me on all other social media channels by my name, Kristin Omdahl, and you can also find my website the same way. On my website, you'll find hundreds of patterns on knitting and crochet, lots of my beautiful yarns, many of which I hand dye right here in my Florida studio. You can order autographed, personalized copies of my books, and you can learn more about my charity project, Kristin Cares. I also have a brand new initiative with my charity called the Buy One, Give One program, where every item that you purchase from my shop at KristinOmdahl.com, I will donate a pod of Wrapture, all natural delicate wash to a woman's shelter. Isn't it wonderful that together we can support survivors of domestic violence and always remind everybody that you are not alone. No matter what you're going through, you are not alone. Whether you're brand new to my YouTube channel or have been joining me here for a long time, please leave a comment below with suggestions for new content, things that you'd like to learn, or just say hello. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.